The on-trend pocket square is fast, fabulous, and easy when you know how. Let me show you how it's done. The base, a 3x5 card wrapped with felt projector tape. The demonstration for that, you'll find it on the YouTube playlist for Tulip Tuesday. It's a fabulous base to work with. Then Oasis Floral Adhesive, flowers, a succulent, bit of hyacinth, muscari, and beautiful hellebores with just a little tiny bit of Dusty Miller. To start the base, just a small bit of glue stretched across the top. Let it start to set. Then the Dusty Miller, you can use just individual portions. You don't need the whole leaf. Breaking it apart and then setting that on. You could do just a portion, or you could go all the way across. I'm going to do just the portion because I want the contrast. Then coming back with a hellebore, cutting it down. I could add a tiny bit more glue to it to make sure that the petals all hold. And then dropping it in there. Just hold it with a tiny bit of pressure to make sure that it stays. Then go back and add the rest of your blooms. Once your base is set, you can go back and add just a bit of glue to the additional blooms, letting it begin to dry. It takes just a tiny bit. Biggest mistake is usually too much glue. Very seldom is it not enough glue. Everything's set. And then you can just take and tuck it in, adjusting as you go. Maybe you want it to come out slightly from underneath. Adding in the color as it comes across. Tucking underneath the succulent. Last bloom, and then just hold a tiny bit of pressure until it dries. When you're finished, take a look. See if it has any holes, any spots. In mine, I feel like it needs 2 more muscari. So just getting tiny bits, a bit of glue, then tucking them in to carry that color across a little more fully and up towards the top with just a little more height. And once again, holding it till it's dry. The recipe, really quite minimal, just bits. So I used 1 part of a leaf of Dusty Miller, 1 bloom of hellebore. Then I did 1 tiny little succulent, 3 hyacinth florets, and 5 muscari blooms. The pocket square boutonniere is so popular and on trend for prom or wedding. So easy, just to tuck it into a pocket, ready to go. One of my faves is when someone's just using a button-down shirt, maybe not even a sport coat. This fits in the pocket perfectly. You'll find more creative inspiration on our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. Now it's your turn. Create an on-trend pocket square, take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.